Guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Topher. Today we are going down a little creek, hopefully to catch some trout. We'll get something. Usually if I cast right along here, there'll be something sitting right here. Okay guys, wow. Beautiful brown trout, guys. Beautiful brown trout. Okay, let's get him to come. Now that is a keeper. I know it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Off you go. Okay guys, got me another nice little trout. Okay guys, perfect. Awesome guys, awesome. Whoa, we're almost falling here. Oh no. All of these trout that I am going to be catching in this little creek and stream are native brown trout to Michigan. Okay, guys, not native. Well, they're wild trout, but they're not native trout, I should say. My bad, I got that a little wrong. Okay, guys. Have a great time, buddy. Man, I just missed a freaking other one, guys. All right. This has to be the one, guys. Let's go. I called it. Oh my goodness. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous fish, guys. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the dorsal fin. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish, guys. Gorgeous.